How to copy a video link on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on Instagram, first of all, what you can simply do is tap on any of the video that you're searching for, that you want the link for. I'm going to show you on my own video or my reel. So I'm going to tap on my profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and simply select on a particular reel over here. Now simply tap on the share icon at the right side of the screen over here. As you tap on the share icon, you'll be able to see the option of copy link. Simply tap on copy link and the link for this particular reel or the video will be copied. So now you can send it to any person, or you can just paste it and download it via different options. So I'm going to simply send this link to any of my friends via Telegram. So let's wait and let's launch Telegram over here, or you can just go for any other options as well. You can simply launch Instagram and send it to other person via DM. So let's try and send it. So let's send the link over here and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.